Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Seeing a continued nice morning this morning as we continue with those mostly sunny conditions and temperatures rising, sitting about 70 degrees at this time with still a light wind out of the north-northwest. And we'll see nice conditions continue as we move through the day with mild temperatures. And then we'll see rain chances moving into the area as we get towards the end of the week and more so into the weekend. So we take a look at the current surface analysis. We have this boundary that's basically stalled out over the region and will continue to play a part in the weather as we move through the next 2 days, and then we'll see a more robust system pushing that out of the area, bringing some more widespread rain chances as we move through the middle portion of the weekend. So we take a look at the current visible satellite. We see those mainly clear skies across the area and nice conditions continuing. We'll look at the high resolution model, see how things play out for the next 2 days. As mentioned, quiet weather as we move through the day today. Could see an isolated shower or two off to our west, but should remain dry here locally. And again, those mild temperatures and light winds continuing through the next 24 hours. As we get into our day on Friday, we will see clouds on the increase as we move into the second portion of the day, and we'll start to see some shower activity firing off to our west once again, but a bit more in the way of showers. And we'll bring a chance or a slight chance of a afternoon shower pushing into the local area, but a better chance as we get more towards the evening time frame, and we'll continue to see that chance lingering through the overnight and into the early morning hours of Saturday before that starts to come to an end. And we'll start off the day Saturday with some dry conditions. As we zoom out and take a look at the European model here, we'll start to see that boundary lifting out of the area. We'll see a brief period of some dry weather through the first part of the day, and then that more robust system that I previously mentioned will start to push into the area with a stronger boundary pushing through and some weak low pressure helping to support some more widespread shower activity approaching the area late Saturday and continuing into the overnight Saturday and starting to come to an end through the first half of the day on Sunday. And we'll see cooler conditions with this and some breezy conditions developing on the backside of this system for Sunday, setting up for quite a chilly day. And as we move through the day on Sunday and end the weekend, we'll slowly start to see temperatures rebounding as we move into next week with a dry weather day on Monday, but still staying fairly seasonable, so not above average like what we'll see today. And the dry conditions continue through Tuesday morning, and then another boundary looks to approach the area, bringing a good chance of some rain showers as we move late Tuesday and into the day on Wednesday before things dry out for Wednesday and temperatures back up closer to the 70-degree mark. So looking at the 24-hour weather chart for today, green conditions for the next 24 hours. We'll see fairly light winds as we move through the day today with a high temperature of 76. Winds become light and variable as we go through the overnight time frame. We'll see a low temperature around 55 degrees, and again, mostly sunny through much of the day today with some additional clouds pushing through as we go into the evening time frame. Could see a ceiling develop at times around 5,000 feet, but generally just partly cloudy skies through the next 24 hours. Tides running slightly above normal. And moving into the weekend, as mentioned, we'll see that chance of rain during the later PM time frame on Friday. Otherwise, just increasing clouds. That chance of rain looks to be about a 40% chance. We'll see temperatures back down to more seasonable in the upper 60s, and then a chilly weekend as we move into Saturday. We'll see a high in the mid 60s ahead of that rain chance that pushes through later Saturday into early Sunday morning. That looks to be about a 60% chance at this time, and as those rain showers pull out, again, those breezy conditions develop, and that will keep those temperatures in the 50s for the day on Sunday. And then dry conditions on Monday with those temperatures back up into the 60s for Monday and Tuesday. And then that next chance of rain looks to arrive on Tuesday, given about a 40% chance, and could see that increase as we get closer to our event on that day, and then back into the 70s as we get into the day on Wednesday. That's going to wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.